you will be completing a graphic organizer related to our text for the week from Mom and Me and Mom. You're going to access that by going to your modules. You're going to scroll down to this week, September 21 through 25, 2020. This assignment is located under Thursday's independent work. All right, it does appear to be very tiny when you first open it. However, you can click on the assignment and it will open it up large for you. The first slide is called Word Compass Cards. So word compass cards are words that are grouped together due to meaning. So you have the top words: ambivalent, cunning, overconfident, obstacle, stoic, and insecure. These are the words you are choosing from on the next slide. However, underneath each of those words, you have words that are in the same word family that are closely related to that word. So let's take the word obstacle. Closely related to obstacle, they said problem, difficulty, barrier, stumbling, and block. So if you feel like this was one of the words, you would choose the word obstacle, and then perhaps when you're writing about it, you could incorporate some of those synonyms or word family words. On the next slide, you have your graphic organizer, which is your actual task. You can see you are completing this based on From Mom and Me and Mom. You are basing this on the event in the selection where Maya and Bailey come from rural Arkansas to live with their long-lost mother in San Francisco. The two siblings react very differently to the reunion. So you need to explain what happens. That'd be an overview. And you can see it says type response here. So you can just click here. You could erase what it says and then just type your response. You have two different people. You are analyzing their perspective. So you need to go back to the slide before and think about Maya. So how does Maya react? How does she feel? So you're going to pick one of these words. You're not picking a random word. You're picking a word based on textual evidence. Whatever word you choose, you have to be able to back it up with something from the text. Once you choose your word, again, you're choosing between ambivalent, cunning, overconfident, obstacle, stoic, or insecure. Once you've made your selection, you're going to type that word in there. And then you're going to go back to the text and you're going to find some evidence that supports your choice of this word. Now keep in mind, you are relating your selection to how they feel about the reunion to their mother. And then you're going to do the same thing with Bailey. You're going to think about things from Bailey's perspective, and you're going to pick one of those 6 words. Again, you're not just picking a random word, you are selecting a word for a purpose. You are selecting the word that best fits his perspective that can be proven with textual evidence. Once you have that word, you're going to type that word in there. And then you have your evidence you're going to locate from the text, and you're going to type specifically quoted from the text in the text evidence box. Once you are done with that, you are going to go ahead and submit that assignment.